So as some of you may know, I straight piped the Benz, and I also got rid of the big cat canister that was under the hood. So it's really loud and it's got a lot of turbo noise now, but it's actually too loud because it drones. So I'm gonna try and put the exhaust back on and see how it goes. Jack stand. Always double check. It's like 10 feet long. It's huge. So I'm gonna have to go get back over there. Here we go. So what we're actually gonna do is unbolt it right about there. So that way it's only about half the exhaust. This is just a big muffler. That's just a resonator. And I don't really want the muffler because I don't want it to be quiet. I just don't want it to be as loud. So we're gonna unbolt it right there and then install it. Year-old exhaust is supposed to pour that much soot out, but diesel life. Now all that's left to do is bolt this flange to that guy over there, and then we gotta put up the exhaust hangers again.
We have to reverse wheel this one.
So, as you can see, the exhaust is back on. Had to make a sick custom hanger for it, but it works. Time to let it down. already sounds a ton quieter. It's almost shamefully dirty, but let's give it a shot.